Using the Weigh My Truck app from CatScale is faster and easier than ever. Before you open your CatScale app, make sure your device location setting is turned on. When you pull onto any CatScale, open the Weigh My Truck app. Your scale location should automatically appear at the top of the screen. If it doesn't, you can enter the scale location number displayed on the intercom sign. Then press Confirm. If needed, complete the fields for your company name, tractor and trailer numbers, and commodity. Click to the next screen, type any information requested by your company, and accept the weigh fee. Now, the Weighmaster will verify your information and weigh your load. When complete, you'll see the weights right on your device. You can view or download a locked PDF of your scale ticket, and you'll automatically receive a copy via email. You can change your account information such as email, company name, phone number, and payment method within the app. Your weigh history is also available in the Weigh My Truck app. There are a variety of search methods available to locate previous weigh tickets. You can view, download, and email these tickets at any time. You can even track and redeem your Super Truck Card collection through the app. Stop wasting time at the scale. Start using the Weigh My Truck app today, only from CatScale.